Imagine the 1960s. The cars, the clothes, the spirit. Every image and style is unmistakably and forever tied to that era. It was a decade where music and openness were at odds with war and politics. The 1960s is also when the Les Paul Standard found its swagger. After refinements to the original 50s models and lagging sales, the Les Paul design gave way to its devil-horned cousin, only to return to its original stylings after the greats discovered the beauty and versatility of the Standard. But the SG soon found its own fans and influencers. The early 60s also saw Gibson toying with a new radical design. A guitar that resembled a 1960s sports car that soon found a home in the hearts of blues and southern rock greats. The Firebird legend was born. Gibson itself has a storied past, with dynamic highs and lows, much like its instruments. Their recent history is well documented, but a new era has arrived at Gibson with a sincere look back and a bold step forward. The Original Collection pays tribute to a golden era at Gibson, delivering the stylings and appointments of its great vintage models in production lines attainable by more players. Gibson listened and delivered features players have demanded for years. While 60s style and fashion look very outdated today, these beautiful creations are as vital and relevant as they were decades ago. Introducing 3 models from the Original Collection that all pay homage to the 1960s.